guys, welcome to today's video. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a get ready with me video. So we're going to do, you guys going to come with me on my skincare and my makeup, how I like to get ready in the morning. So yeah, if you want to see how I do my skincare and my makeup, then keep on watching. Just start with skincare and then go into makeup. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to just put on this headband thing. Okay, now that that is on, I'm going to start just by kind of wetting my face. I'm not near a sink, so I'm just going to use a washcloth just to kind of just wet my face a bit. Okay, then I'm going to go in with my Neutrogena Deep Clean Facial Cleanser, and I'm just going to get 2 pumps of that. Just kind of warm it up between my hands, and wet washcloth again, and just kind of do circular motions all over. I have still soap on my face. I just like to go with use a dry washcloth, and then just wipe it away. Or I would go in and just rinse my face. Another thing I'm going to use is I'm going to use my Nassif detox pads. I'm just going to take one, and then I'm just also do circular motions. Really try to focus it on where any blemishes I have. Next, I'm going to go in with my Neutrogena alcohol-free toner, and then I'm just going to use that with a cotton ball. And just start applying it to the face. So for moisturizer, I'm going to use my Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel moisturizer, and I kind of like to use, I don't usually like to dip into this. I just kind of take what's left on the cap. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put on my boost cut and do eye cream. Oops. I'm almost out of this stuff. I also like to go on my eyelids as well. Alright, so that was pretty much my skincare routine. Now I'm going to go into my makeup. So the first thing that I like to do is like to start with concealer. So I'm going to start with the green side first. Just do a small amount of that. Sometimes I use my finger, sometimes I use a brush. Today I'm just going to use my finger. Now I'm going to powder it. I normally do 2 layers of concealer. One just like this, and then one after I apply my foundation. Okay. So I'm just setting the green concealer first. I'm going to prime my face and then put my foundation on. I'm actually going to do that off camera really quick. I'm using the Wish Botanical Face Primer. So for foundation, I'm going to go in with my favorite foundation. This is the CoverGirl Plus Olay Ageless Foundation. I'm going to use my favorite brush to apply it. This is the e.l.f. Foundation Blurring Brush. So my normal beauty blender that I normally use for my makeup is actually drying right now. So I'm actually just going to try to use this. This is Echo Tools Perfecting Blender Applicator, and I'm just going to spray it with my DIY finishing spray, just kind of dampen up the brush, the blender a little bit. Okay, that's good. And just start kind of lightly pressing into the skin. Then we're gonna go back into this beauty blender. I meant to say finishing spray. And then spray, and then melt that into the skin as well. I set it using my L'Oreal Infallible Loose Setting Powder. I'm just gonna get some in the cap. And then start just setting everything. And then I'll go back into the beauty blender and just press that into the skin. Next, I'm going to go in with my bronzer. This is the Rimmel Natural Bronzer in the color Sunlight. I'm just going to take my old-fashioned brush and just start bronzing up the face. Okay. So I'm just going to use my L'Oreal Invisible Lift cream blush in the color Peach Gold Lift. And I'm just going to use my finger to apply it. I'm going to start here, kind of build my way out. I'm going to go into my KC Makeup Academy highlighting palette and start highlighting. Okay, so I'm going to use this color. Oh no. This color from the KC Makeup Academy highlighting palette. This is in the color Lunar. So I'm going to start applying this color right here. I'm going to go in with that same highlighting color, just highlight the Cupid's bow. Alright, so I just did this eye on camera, off camera. This is probably my go-to makeup look with the Soft Glam Anastasia palette. So I'm just going to kind of walk you guys through what I do. So I'm first going to start with my favorite eye primer. This is the Bare Minerals Gen Nude eye primer and eyeshadow. So I'm just going to get a little bit of that on the lid. And what I really like to do is I like to kind of blend that with a brush instead of my finger. I actually did it with my finger on this side just so I can just show you guys how I like to do it with a brush instead of my finger. Okay, from the Soft Glam palette, I'm first going to go in with orange soda. And I'm going to put that in the lid. And then with the same brush, I'm going to go in with burnt orange right under that orange soda. And then I'm also going to bring that down onto the lid. And also kind of blend the two together. And I'm going to take bronze and apply that to the lid. So now I'm going to go in with my mascara. You guys probably have seen me talk about this one like a lot of times. This is the Maybelline The Falsies Lash Lift Mascara. So I like to do 2 layers of two different mascaras. while I let that layer dry, I just kind of do like touch-ups or anything, or I would put a lip balm on, prepping for the lips. But today I am not. I'm actually going to go back to the eyeshadow. I'm going to go in with this brush. This is from Shani. This is brush number 14, and I'm going to go back into burnt orange and just go on the lower lash line. And then I'm going to go in with tempera. I'm going to go in that inner corner area. Okay, now that I think the mascara is a little dry now, so I'm going to go in with my Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. Now for lips. Now by the time that I get to my lips are, from the lip balm, they're already dry. But they're actually not right now, so I'm just going to go in and just do my finishing spray. And then I just let that kind of soak in for a little bit. And then I'm going to actually just go ahead and put on my Hand Diane liquid lipstick in the color 05, or in the number 05, I mean. And then I'm just gonna apply that to my lips. Actually, I have to do a lip liner first. I can't find my sharpener, so I'm just gonna, and then I'm gonna apply the lipstick, or liquid lipstick. So that is the entire look. So I hope you all enjoyed today's video and see you guys in the next one. Bye!